So the move in out 3D eye expression allows you to move 3D layers into your composition and out of your composition in arbitrary directions. And if you ask, why shouldn't I do this just with 2 keyframes? Then watch the move in out 2D mini tutorial first, where I show you that the movements you get with this eye expression are really a bit smoother than what you get with keyframes, even if you would use easy ease keyframes. The point is, from a physical perspective, these eye expressions use or move your layers with a continuous acceleration or a continuous deacceleration. In other words, this looks very organic and natural, and this is a little subtle difference compared to moving your layers with keyframes. Okay, having that said, let's just apply the eye expression to this layer and set first 2 keyframes, because we need to specify the point where it should move in. Let's say it should move in here at frame 30. So let's just set here a keyframe. Say it should move out at frame 60. So let's set here, or 59, let's set here another keyframe. So currently nothing is moving. And now if you apply the eye expression to this position, apply, you can see it moves in here now from the back and stays here. And now here it moves back, or it moves forward. And currently there is not enough time to really disappear or appear completely. We could make our composition longer, but see really how smooth it fades into its position here. So very natural movement. And now we can, of course, make this faster. Let's say we want to have a speed of 1, or an acceleration of 1000 instead of 100, and reapply this. Now you can see it starts from much more behind. Or if we increase it again by 1 factor, add here a null, it starts still. So here it starts now very, very small. Let's look at the end here. Like this. And you can see how nice really it is fading into this position here, and how quickly it is moving out again. And now we can also control the direction of the movement. So if we do not want it to move out towards the screen, but away from it, we can choose here the same direction back as we did it forth. So angle out, now we say 0, 0, which is from behind, and apply it here again. And now you can see it comes from the back, and it will reappear again, disappear in this direction. Like this. And you can choose arbitrary directions here. The best way to understand these values is to click on the help button, and then it opens here in the web browser the online help, and here you have this nice picture. It says if you want to come from behind, it should be 0. This is this first component here. And if it should go to the front, it's 180. So here 180 means go towards the camera. And then you can also move it up. So this second component here, this is a control in this direction. So you can say, come, for example, from the screen, but from, let's say, 45 degrees upwards. 45. And we can also come in straight from 45 degrees upwards. And if we apply this, you would see it doesn't come really from here anymore, but it comes more from here, from straight above, or no, not straight, but 45 degrees in that direction. Maybe 45 is here a bit much. Maybe we would rather pick something like 10 degrees or so. So slightly from above. Let's apply this. And now you can see it comes from here. Which values look good there somehow depends on your camera perspective. So now it comes from 10 degrees above, moving into this position. Okay, I think this gives you the basic idea. So just choose here the speed with which to move in, and here your angles, in angle and out angle. And then by default, it moves in at the first keyframe such that it arrives at the first keyframe. Yeah, it moves out starting at the last keyframe. And you can modify this by changing these parameters here. So you can say something just start at the frame number, or move out at frame number 100 or something like this. But I'm not going to show these details because I think they are simple.